Hi, I'm Satyavadi from Nanda College of Technology. In this video, I'm going to share about introduction about data science. So, what is data science? Data science is the study of data to extract meaningful insight for business. So, before knowing about what is data science, let me tell you what is data. Data is a measurable unit of information collected or gathered from activity of people, place and things. So getting into what is data science. So data science is a extract of knowledge or insight from various form of data and analyzing those data by using some modeling techniques and extract the actionable knowledge from the data that can be used to make some decision of business decision and business predictions. Data science is a multidisciplinary approach with the field of mathematics, statistics, computer engineering to analyze a large amount of data. Data science is also helpful to data scientists. By using data scientists to ask to knowing about what happened, why it has happened, and what can be done with the result. The data science using data science, the data analyst, the data scientist can analyze all these questions to make the business decision and predictions easily. And next is life cycle of data science. The life cycle of data science or data acquisition. Data acquisition is collection of data. The collection of data is a data acquisition and collecting the data from various sources. And after collecting the data should be in a transformations. It is data stored in data warehouse and data cleansing and data processing and data architecture. And after data transformation, the data should be processed by applying some data modeling and data summarization, clustering and classifications. Data are processed. After processing the data should be analyzed. Some decision making, some modeling techniques, some machine learning algorithm methods are used to analyze the data. After analyzing the data visualization. Data visualization is nothing but it's a analysis of, after analyzing the data, predicting those data for business decisions and for business predictions. And next is applications of data science. These are some applications where data science are used. Data science are used in e-commerce, healthcare, manufacturing, transport, banking, finance. So these are some applications data science are used. And here are some more example where data science are used. First one is fraud and risk detections. Data science is used to analyze the probability of risk through the customer profiling and past, expand and other variables. Healthcare. In healthcare, data science is possible to manage and analyze very large set of data in healthcare system. Data scientists helped in data contact tracing, diagnosis, risk assessment, and third is internet search. All search engines, all search engines nowadays use data science algorithm to deliver best result for the queries. And targeted advertisement. With the help of data science algorithm, the advertisement is popped up based on the user's past history. Recommendation systems, the promotions and the promotions of products, recommendations all are based on the user's previous search and their interest. Advanced image, speech or character recognition. Facial recognition algorithms are used in Facebook. Speech recognition such as Alexa and Google Lens are the best example for data science applications. And gaming. In gaming, data science or machine learning algorithms are used in gaming. Augmented reality, that is nothing but virtual. Augmented reality is a virtual thing. And these are some use cases where data science are used. Facebook, Amazon, Uber, banking, Airbnb, Spotify. Here in Amazon, based on the user's past history search, previous history search, the recommended products will display, and recommended music, recommended movie and recommended music or display based on the previous search history and our interest based on the algorithm, based on some data science algorithm. These are pop up in recommended of a recommended in the website. And these are example of a movie in Amazon Prime or in Netflix. If we watch a horror film, if we watch a movie related to some god, so in recommended area those message will be placed. These are because of data science algorithms. And facets of data. Next is facets of data. Very large amount of data will generate in big data and data science. These data is a various type, and the data are structured, unstructured, natural language, machine language, machine generated, graph based, audio, video, images and streaming. Structured data is a type of data that is well organized and accurately formatted. Structured data are arranged in the form of rows and column format. So it is very easily used to retrieve and process the data. The example for structured data is database management system on the, and these are the examples of structured data. And unstructured data. Unstructured data. In unstructured data, the data does not follow any specific formats. Rows and columns are not used for unstructured data. Unstructured data is a data such as email, text, social media post, video, images, audio, sensor data and so on. Unstructured data is in not a specific format, so it is difficult to retrieve the required informations. Even today, most of organization, more than 80 percentage of data are unstructured. So it's a big challenges. It's a big challenge. And these are the difference between structured data and unstructured data. In structured data, the data are highly organized. In unstructured data, does not have any formats. It's a quantitative and it's a qualitative. In structured data, it used ODBMS, that is in the form of rows and columns. But in unstructured data, no such kind of formats. It's a non-relational database. Several predefined formats are used. Here, a huge array of formats are used. And natural language processing. Natural language processing is a special type of unstructured data. It enables the process to recognize character, words and sentence and apply the meaningful and understanding the informations. This helpful to the machine to understand the language as human do. Natural language processing is a driven force behind the machine intelligence. It helps the machine understand human language. Next is machine generated data. Machine generated data is an information that is created without human interactions. As a result, computer process or application activities. This means data entered manually by an end user is not recognized to be a machine generated. Both machine to machine and human to machine interaction generated machine data. The machine data is either structured or unstructured. And graph-based data. Graph-based data, it describes the relationship and interaction between entities. In general, graph contains collections of entities called nodes and interaction between pairs of nodes called edges. A graph data stores nodes and relations instead of tables or documents. Graph data store the relationship between the informations, categories such as customer, interest, friends and purchase histories. This approach is applied to social network analysis to determine the important feature of networks. For example, here influencer and their follower. Influencer on social network have been identified as a user that have the impact on the activities or opinion of other user by way of followership on decision made by other user on the network. It is shown in the picture. Next, audio, image, video. Audio, image and video are the data type that pose a specific challenge to the data scientist. Audio and video commonly refers to a time-based media storage format for sound, music and moving picture informations. Next, streaming data. Streaming data is a data that is generated continuously by thousands of data sources, which is sends the data in a data record simultaneously in small size. Example for streaming data is live matches. And this is the difference between the structured and unstructured data. I have already told the structured data is in a format and unstructured data is not a specific format. The example for structured format is a database system And unstructured data, it's in the form of email and text. And natural language processing, in natural language processing is a unstructured data, and it's a it requires a knowledge of specific data science and techniques. And graph is nothing but uh, it's a interactions, it's a relationship, it describes the relationship and interactions between the entities, between the objects. Machine generated is automatically generated by the computer. The analysis of machine data relies on highly scalable tools because high volume and speed because of high volume and speed. The example for machine generated are web server logs, call detail records, and streaming data. Streaming data is a data that is generated continuously by thousands of data source. Here event happens, the data flow into the system. Audio, image and video. High speed cameras at stadium will capture the ball movements to calculate in real time. Examples, these are some examples. So thank you, and this video is about the introductions of data science. In later videos we will discuss more about the concept related in data science, in detail about data science process and defining research goals. Later we will discuss about all these in next video. Thank you.